Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Ryobi 18v batteries is probably one of the most essential components for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson relying on cordless power tools, and today we're diving deep into what makes these batteries a standout choice in a crowded market. We'll explore their performance, longevity, and compatibility across the vast Ryobi 18v ONE Plus system, helping you make an informed decision for your next power tool investment. Number 5. VANON 7000 mAh replacement for Ryobi 18v battery 2-pack. Introducing the VANON 7000 mAh replacement batteries for your Ryobi 18v tools. Experience longer work sessions without constant recharging, perfect for demanding tasks. These batteries are designed for broad compatibility with various Ryobi 18v tools and chargers. Enjoy a seamless fit and reliable power for your entire 18v system. Get a fantastic value with this 2-pack of 7000 mAh batteries. Keep one ready to go while the other charges, ensuring you're always powered up. Your safety is paramount. These batteries are built with high-quality cells and multiple protection features against overcharging, short circuits, and more. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund and a 1-year warranty. Our 24/7 customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you may have. Remember to fully charge the battery before its first use. Allow it to cool down for about 15 minutes after use before recharging for optimal performance. What we like. This option offers a massive 7000 mAh capacity, giving you significantly longer runtimes. It also comes as a convenient 2-pack, ensuring you always have a charged battery ready. If you're tackling large projects like extensive lawn care or demanding construction work and want to minimize downtime, this is the choice for you. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. These batteries are compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 18v tools, making them very versatile. The charging time is surprisingly fast, allowing you to get back to work quickly. Number 4. RYOBI ONE Plus 18v 4.0 Ah battery. Introducing the RYOBI ONE Plus 18v 4.0 Ah battery. Experience extended runtime for all your projects. Get up to 3 times more runtime compared to the standard 1.5 Ah battery. This means longer work sessions without needing to recharge. Easily check your remaining power with the integrated high-visibility LED fuel gauge. It shows you the charge at a glance, so you're never caught off guard. Designed to be compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle and reduces fatigue during extended use. Enjoy powerful performance without the extra weight. Built tough with impact-resistant construction, it can withstand drops and tough job site conditions. It delivers fade-free power, even in extreme temperatures. This battery works with over 225 RYOBI ONE Plus 18v tools and chargers. It's part of the expandable ONE Plus system, offering versatile cordless power for all your needs. What we like. Experience up to 3 times the runtime of standard batteries with this 4.0 Ah option. The integrated LED fuel gauge is a game-changer for monitoring your power levels at a glance. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who values extended use and convenient power monitoring without adding significant weight, this battery is an excellent fit. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for extended periods of use. These batteries charge quickly, minimizing downtime between uses. The compact design makes them easy to handle and store. Number 3. RYOBI ONE Plus HP 18v 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery PBP002. Introducing the RYOBI ONE Plus HP 18v 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery. This is the PBP002 model, designed for high performance. Experience high-performance power with this 1.5 Ah battery. It's built to deliver consistent, fade-free energy for your tools. Keep track of your power levels effortlessly. It features an onboard LED fuel gauge so you always know how much charge is left. This is an original equipment manufacturer part, with the part number PBP002. It's a reliable choice for your Ryobi tools. Enjoy uninterrupted work thanks to its fade-free power technology. This battery ensures your tools perform at their best from start to finish. What we like. This is a high-performance 1.5Ah battery that delivers consistent fade-free power. The onboard LED fuel gauge makes it easy to check your charge status. If you need a reliable, no-frills battery for general-purpose tasks and appreciate knowing your remaining power, this is a solid, straightforward option. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting significantly longer than previous models. The charge indicator lights are very helpful for knowing the remaining power. It charges quickly, getting you back to work in no time. Number 2. 2-pack 8.0Ah replacement for Ryobi 18v lithium battery. Experience remarkably extended runtime with its large 8.0Ah capacity. Finish more tasks without constant recharging, thanks to its stable power output for drilling, cutting, and grinding. Upgrade your tool collection with this ideal substitute for original 18v batteries. It works flawlessly with all compatible 18v cordless power tools and original chargers. Enjoy maximum user safety with built-in safeguards against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Its robust outer shell is anti-drop and wear-resistant for various work environments. Easily check the remaining capacity with the integrated 4 LED power indicator. Its reinforced housing is impact and heat resistant, designed to withstand tough working conditions. Benefit from industrial-grade cells offering over 1,000 charge cycles and a zero memory effect. We offer a 30-day refund, a 2-year warranty, and 24-hour customer support for your satisfaction. What we like. Boasting an impressive 8.0Ah capacity, this battery provides exceptional extended runtime for your most demanding jobs. The integrated 4 LED power indicator gives you a clear, real-time view of remaining charge. If you're looking for maximum power and longevity for heavy-duty applications like grinding or extensive cutting, and appreciate a durable build, this is the battery to consider. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for extended periods of use without needing frequent recharges. The quick charge feature is a game-changer, allowing me to get back to work in a fraction of the time compared to older models. The battery indicator lights are very useful for monitoring the remaining power, preventing unexpected shutdowns during critical tasks. Number 1. TENMOER 2-pack 18v 3.0Ah battery and charger kit. This kit includes two 3.0Ah 18v batteries and a charger. It's a complete power solution perfect for your home and DIY projects. These batteries are designed to work seamlessly with your Ryobi 18v cordless tools. You can expect a reliable fit and stable performance every time. An integrated LED fuel gauge lets you check the remaining battery power at a glance. This helps you avoid unexpected interruptions while you work. The charger provided is compatible with a range of Ryobi battery charger models. It supports both Li-ion and NICD-NMH batteries with versatile input and output specifications. We offer professional customer support for this battery kit. If you have any questions, we'll respond within 24 hours with a satisfactory solution. What we like. This kit offers a complete power solution with two 3.0Ah batteries and an included charger. The LED battery indicator helps you keep track of your power levels. If you're a homeowner or DIYer just starting out or needing to refresh your battery supply, and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one package, this combo kit is an ideal and cost-effective choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for extended periods of use. These batteries charge quickly, minimizing downtime between uses. The indicator lights clearly show the remaining charge level. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.